Jeffrey Nemhard. Again, this is part of the Robot Lab program for the Introduction to Robotics in Mech 140. And what you're seeing here is the second build of the robot that included the push button, as you see in the front. That's supposed to be the sensor that you use with walls, including the LCD display that tells you the actions of the robot. And as you see that the robot uses a high torque gear ratio, and it was tied to a 7-volt battery and run with the Arduino VEX CPU. And this was the final design used for the second part of the robot lab, upon which it was supposed to navigate the maze using its sensor in terms of the push button, in addition to timing code that was used inside of the program. This is Jeffrey Nemhard for the Mech 140 Introduction to Robotics, and this is my video showing the use of the LCD and how it was used during the robot's use in the maze. What this will do is it will show you the messages that were being sent to the LCD during the movement of the robot. So when it first started, you'll see that the message indicates the robot starts. And at that point it was moving forward. Then when the button encountered wall, you'll see that it says that it stopped, it's moved about, and it turned left, and now it's moving forward again. When it encountered the next wall, it stopped motion again, it moved back, and it turned right, and now it's moving forward to the next wall, upon which it stopped motion, it turned right, and at this point it's exiting the maze. And at this point you see that the moving forward will have one more turn, and there's the end. So this was the messages that the robot was sending throughout the maze. And in the previous videos you will see the motion, or have seen the motion of the robot through the maze itself.